Welcome to this lesson on using Google Drawings. Google Drawings is not a hand drawing program, but rather a desktop publishing program, and you can create wonderful posters, Avid one-pagers, templates, and other projects in your classroom using this application. Start at your drive and click on either your waffle or the New button at the left and scroll down to open Google Drawings. You'll notice a checkerboard template. This is actually a desktop and not something that you'll be writing on. But we're going to start by naming our poster. We're going to do a science poster. And sizing our project first. If you size your project before you begin, you won't have to resize or move items before you publish. So click on File, and third from the bottom is Page Setup. And from there, I'm going to create a custom of 11 by 8 1/2 inches so I can print mine later. And you can use inches, centimeters, points, or pixels for publishing. Once it's resized, we're going to go ahead and put a sheet on the background. You can use a plain white or color. Right-click, go to Background, and then choose a color. I'm going to choose a light green. And now I'm ready to start. To start, you can create a title or add other items using the Insert key, and you'll be using this a lot if you're in Google Drawings. I'm going to insert some word art and title my poster. Nuclear versus biofuels, and it will create word art that is sized to your project. I'm going to drag this to the top, and notice as I drag it you see some red lines. The red lines are there to show you the outer edges of your project so that you don't take your words off the page, but as well it helps you center, and you'll notice as I float to the center the red line shows, and that helps me center my project. I can stretch this text, I can change it to a different type of text, I can drag that back on, and you can change the outer line color or the fill color. Make the fill a little bit brighter. And now I'm going to add some images to my poster. Once again, you use the Insert key, go to Image, and you don't have to have an image already, but if you do, you can pull it off your desktop or your Google Drive, or you can take a snapshot with your device if you're working on a Chromebook, or search and use Google's library. Do nuclear power, and they have a wealth of images that are already ready to be used. You click Select, and it's that fast. To resize an image, just grab the top corner or bottom corner and drag towards the middle, and that'll resize your image for your poster or project. And I'm going to put one more image here. Insert image. I'm going to put biofuels. And again, their library has a lot of selections. And you click Select, and it'll take it to your poster. And you can move it and resize it. Notice also, as I bring this up here, you'll see that there are guidelines moving here. That helps me line up my picture with the other, and this is helpful for our students if they're trying to line things up. So make sure that they know about these red and blue lines, which help keep things in line. There are several other things that can be added. You can add text boxes, shapes, maybe you want to do some call-outs. And by dragging those. You can also change the color or change the shape. And you can add words inside if you'd like. To add words, all you would do is insert text box and create a text box that is inside your callout and add words to this. As you can see, this can be used for your students to create a project for a formative assessment, or you can make this into a template and send this to your students in your Google Classroom and have them complete the project as well. I hope you've enjoyed seeing how to set up a project in Google Drawings.